Factors involved in the decision of whether to do or not a thesis in psychology students by Jesus J. Aiquipa, Cynthia M. Ramos, Rosemary Curray, and Lady L. Guisado. Introduction. According to Montemayor Borsinger, thesis is the product of process of scientific, empirical, and/or theoretical research on a particular phenomenon, obtained through the development of a work involving data collection, analysis, and knowledge development for a significant period. According to the last recorded study in Peru, the Second National University Census 2010, simultaneously done in 100 universities, 35 public and 65 private across the country, reported that out of a total of 20,642 public university students, 45% earned their professional degree through a thesis, while 55% earned it through other modalities such as professional experience, examination, professional development course, and/or magisterial classes. Moreover, out of a total of 24,601 private university postgraduate students, 40% obtained their academic degree through a thesis, while 60% obtained it through other modalities. According to the University Law, Law 30220/2014, in Chapter 5 of Academic Organization, Article 45, obtaining academic and professional degrees, to attain an academic and/or professional degree, one must comply to the requirements implied by each university in its internal regulations. A leading country in science, technology, and innovation prioritizes research projects that will contribute to the country's economic, social, and cultural growth. Thus, most universities of such country consider approval of a research project as one of the requirements to attain an academic and/or professional degree. Meanwhile, in Peru, according to Peru's People's Defender's Office, many mental health problems arise, which cause damage to individuals and families. Some of the problems are family violence, femicide, school bullying, sexual harassment on public transport, high levels of corruption, self-injury and suicidal behaviors, inappropriate health habits linked to physical problems, and accidents. That means there is a need to conduct psychological research in Peru. 1. To contribute scientific knowledge. 2. To have an empirical basis to develop and implement specific intervention. 3. To assess impact over time. However, Peru has one of the lowest scientific productivity, has insufficient number of studies in this area, and has no any Peruvian journal of psychology with scientific impact. UNESCO stated that there is little interest in developing the science in Peru. Nevertheless, universities must initiate global knowledge through research to address challenges such as public health. Psychology departments of universities must contribute to this aim by encouraging research in their classrooms, creating study groups, promoting interdisciplinary studies, and above all, encouraging graduates to earn their professional degree through a thesis, a reality still too far from reach. According to some international background concerned with students in master's degree and/or PhD programs of specialties other than psychology, there are issues encountered in thesis making, such as most complex activities like delimiting the subject matter, developing the studies of the issue and the theoretical framework, designing the methodology, and writing a research report need further mentoring support. Second, personal factors like attitude and motivation are influential and necessary to do research. Third, professors' role as a motivating agent, permanent assessment, and institutional support or assistance also have an effect on the conduction of research work. Lastly, psychological factors, self-efficacy, motivational processes, expectations on research results, and attitudes towards research. With this, the question is raised regarding what could possibly influence the decision of psychology undergraduate students to do or not to do a thesis to obtain a professional degree. It was hypothesized that factors like existing tiresome proceedings Poor knowledge on research methodology, lack of economic resources, and lack of time are associated with the failure to do a thesis. The objective of the study is to identify, describe, and explain those factors which influence the decision of psychology undergraduate students to do or not to do a thesis to earn their professional degree. Methodology. The study used a qualitative methodology and the grounded theory design. Instrument: 7 individual interviews and 2 focus groups. Respondents: a total of 28 university students, 20 women and 8 men living in the city of Lima, Peru, from 5 universities, 2 from public and 3 from private, and who were in the last semesters of the psychology specialty. Results: the study identified 5 factors that could possibly be involved in the decision of whether to do or not a thesis in psychology students. The study described circumstantial factors as the current events or situations experienced by the participants of the study, the time required to research, the employment or job they perform or want to perform to meet an economic need, were the said reasons which influence the decision to do or not to do a thesis. Subject 2 said that it would be unlikely for me because I don't have much time. I have to work and pay for my university studies. Subject 2's concern is about time required to research and economic expenses. The study described psychological factors as a set of psychological, cognitive, affective, and behavioral components of personality traits of the individual, in this case, the student, which facilitate or hinder the realization of a research study. Components are belief system, effort avoidance, or the tendency to avoid activities involving cognitive efforts, tendency to immediatism, or desire to obtain or achieve goals immediately, and perception of difficulty. Subject 4 said that every week the professor told me that I have to review it. I do not know. I have felt that I am not doing it right. Imagine if I have to do it for the professional degree and I am told that it has not been approved or something like that. I cannot imagine another year preparing another thesis. It makes me feel a little scared more than anything. The study described family factors as the strategies used by the family to raise children. There are 2 family factors which influence the realization or non-realization of a research work. One is raising patterns, particularly the ones related to the learning process, and family support, as economic and or moral support. From focus group 2, a subject said that, from my memories, I have no much limits at home, so that if I had the chance to disassemble an alarm clock or a telephone, I did it. I explored and destroyed it, and I had the satisfaction of researching, and there was nobody yelling at me, "What have you done?" The study described university-related factors as the support received from the higher education institution or university represented by the authorities of the psychology departments and or schools, which, through its professors, processes, and strategies, facilitate or hinder their students to research and do a thesis to earn their professional degree. It was found that the structure and content of the university's curriculum, including research activities and the fulfillment of such a curriculum, influenced the conduction of scientific studies by the students. A subject from Focus Group 1 said that, I think it could be very important that certain universities change their curriculum. On the other hand, we only had 3 courses in my university, if I am right. Thus, let's say that they have more opportunities and more abilities to do a thesis as compared to other universities. Lastly, the study described socio-cultural factors as a group of research-related entities, policies, situations, and or social representations which influence the decision to do a thesis. In this sense, the regular basic education system is identified as insufficient or deficient to encourage research from an early age, since it follows a traditional educational model which does not favor the development of critical thinking and inquiry. Furthermore, the participants perceive that their society and culture as a built entity do not value the research development, and there are not any comparative advantages for those who earn the professional degree through a thesis. From Focus Group 2, a subject said, I think that it comes from before university, from school. Sometimes the professors come, lecture, and say the date of the exam, and that's all. In public schools, they don't go deep in to seek such critical sense so that you can continue to do it in the university period. Because I have seen that in the first semesters of university, during such period, it is hard for students to succeed or adapt. To sum up, the results suggest that there are psychological, circumstantial, family, university-related, social and cultural factors, complex interaction of which affects the psychological processes of the student to decide to do or not a thesis, representing the student's belief system in itself and in relation to the research activity, a main psychological factor.